A very good evening, Team Zimbabwe. Masquera say, Masquera say, Masquera say. So we are continuing to reflect on the Zimbabwean politics. We have seen that a lot of ZANU PF people are actually fighting because of the tensions created by dubious elections in the nation of Zimbabwe, and some are just exposing what we have been suspecting all along. And there are allegations which are circulating on social media. Let us get through this so that you get to understand the reason why we are here. So a ZANU PF MP allegedly claimed that President vakadyiwa nyika yese, and that is a claim which was made when they were having their own argument kupati kwavo, and there is an audio leak which we want to hear.
That one you can ask PCC. What do we actually decision? I'm only informing people in my constituents. That issue I'm going to answer Baron the pool remember last time. I manage Arugu Chiraji guide.
So this is what this audio says. Let us hear the commentary which followed this audio.
The world is too tiny now. Nyika yavebikiso. Nyika yaadikiso. Zvekuti zvakaligwa tichazoona nezvemumwoyo chaizvo tichazoona. Ari kutaura kuti president havana kudyiwa ubhedi bridge chete. Vakadyiwa nyika yese. Koti iwewo zvako gwaivi gomunhu nomuromo unenge nyama yepondo. Gwaivi zvako kune munyama unenge nyama yepondo. Utori neAIDS zvako ndonotaura panotiramba chikakari. Ava nezana vautotaura kuti even political yakabvumirana president akadyiwa. Uyu ari kutaura. Uyu akari kutaura. Tumulanga gwara kudyiwa ubhedi bridge chete. Kadyiwa nyika yose. Even Country Party, kuna musuri nyure waanoti zizi left hand main. Akaita former vote mnanga kwa former vote. DMP wezana ata mnanga kwa kadyiwa nyika ana kudyiwa bed state. Kadyiwa nyika yese.
So Team Zimbabwe, these are tensions which are now playing around within the ZANU PF as a party itself. So this is a true reflection. Let me play this audio again for those who came late.
That one you can ask PCC. What do we actually decision? I'm only informing people in my constituents. That issue I'm going to answer Baron the pool remember last time. I manage Arugu Chiraji guide investigating issues. President vakadyiwa mubhal brichete kana vakadyiwa the whole country. Undautaura zvivharo zvinozvinova regera decision yatora nepolitburo iyo ndiyo uri anonovhara decision nepolitburo.
So the question is, what is this decision which was taken by the Politburo? Because clearly these MPs are admitting kuti president havana kudyiwa bhati bridge chete, vakadyiwa nyika yese. And the question is, decision yakatorwa nePolitburo ndeipi? So this reflects a lot is happening in Zimbabwe behind the scenes. If you see this government looking as if there is much pressure, they know what is really happening and they know what is coming after them. So our duty is to just bring these issues so that we get guidance as a people. So Team Zimbabwe, do not agitate. When you see things happening, do not be angry, because ZANU PF itself is divided. ZANU PF themselves, they have exposed each other. This claim by this MP, it shows that indeed something is brewing, something is happening. The question is, what did the Politburo decide? What was the decision taken by the Politburo of ZANU PF? That is very interesting to note. So we are going to watch and see how this whole thing is going to unfold from now. The reason why this MP is here is because they are trading accusations. President. So this man is actually saying, and this is president wakadyiwa nyika yese. That is a confirmation, Team Zimbabwe, of very important issues we have been seeking answers for. So I don't want to take much of your time. Hanzi TCW, ZANU stand for, is being planned outside their organization and within their organization. Yes. Okay, Hanzi, hi guys, katowandisa for iwayo. Please, MPs, msachanisa mota dzamapiwa nezanu. Okay, thank you very much for the contributions, Team Zimbabwe. And let us continue to see what is going to unfold, what is going to happen next. So if you are new to this platform, please hit the subscribe button. Or if you haven't turned on the notification bell, please turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out each and every time we go live or we post an update. My name is Ronald Wekwamakusha, and our mission is to take a look onto the election, the post-mortem of the election. What happened? What really transpired? Who is going to actually survive in this quagmire? So we are in a crisis. We cannot deny that. We are in a crisis, and the international community is showing, the reaction of the international community is showing us that indeed we are in a crisis. So thank you very much for further contributions, patience. Okay, Hans will say, Bronas, thanks for your effort and updates. Yes, we have to continue to update each other because we don't have a functional television platform in Zimbabwe. Remember, ZBC or ZTV, and there's so we have to occupy these spaces and we have to talk as young people, especially our generation. We have to have conversations. We have to agree on the way forward. We have to make sure that we protect the future, because we are going to live longer than these older dollars. When I say we are going to live longer, I mean the majority of the young people we have today, people of my age, the majority of them are going to live longer, yet these dollars are going to vanish soon. So we can't let them decide our future. Mwari atora mazwa ake. Yes, that is the reason why they don't care. That is the reason why they do whatever they want. These people, if they loved Zimbabwe, they would actually agree that they failed. Guys, you don't need a sangoma to come and tell you kuti. You need to actually accept and agree that you have failed. If you see your reaction is about arresting others, beating others, abducting others, doing all sorts of things, stealing elections, using millions and millions to subvert the will of the people, you have to ask yourself. If you take a look on the allegations, the ZANU PF used the billions. It said they used almost 3 billion, which they allegedly spent to just protect a seat of power. You know, a wise man would have used that 3 billion not to give anybody, but to just go and revamp the health sector, revamp the education sector, revamp the infrastructure with that money, and everything would be flowing right now. But because of greed, you know that ZANU PF survives on because of poor people. When I am poor, I can be easily manipulated because I have to rely on others for survival. So that is the reason why ZANU PF survives. Dai vanhu vese vanga vane mari guys, vane life iri bho kumaruzevha hakuna inyengerera ZANU PF, because munhu anengaziva kuti ZANU PF ndezvayo. If people could afford even legal advice and legal aid, nobody could just fall for the shenanigans of ZANU PF. So let me just play this audio for the last minute for those who came late before we end this program.
I'm only informing people in my constituents. That issue I'm going to answer the board member last time. I managed to investigate President vakadyiwa mubhalbri chete kana vakadyiwa the whole country. Kundautaura zvivhara zvinozvinova regera decision yatora nepotbro iyo ndiyo uri anonovhara decision nepotbro.
So I've just played this audio for the last time. Please, if you are new to this platform, please hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out each and every time we go live or we post an update. I appreciate everybody who contributed to this platform and everybody who came to watch this video and everybody who has been supporting us live here on our programs. Samantha, thank you very much for the contribution. Let us meet in other episodes as well as a broadcast.